As the president of the Comunidad Boa Esperanza Aldona and the Gaonkar of Boa Esperanza, we welcome the press. The main reason behind taking the press is the illegalities, encroachments, and government officials not taking action when such encroachments and illegal activities, constructions have been done. So, few days back, 2-3 days back, we, along with all the Gaonkars, had gone for an inspection and stop notice at Kalvi football ground. On that day, we noticed the illegal construction was going on in full swing at Kalvi. That is a ground given by the Comunidad, but mentioned there you cannot change the title of the land. It was surprising to see that fraudulently the name has been changed and put as St. Dominic Savio Sports Club. Leaving this aside, there are no permissions from any authority. So we have stopped the work and asked for explanation with permissions, what permissions they have. Till date, we have not received anything. So we have gone further for complaints to different authorities. No authority is coming forward and taking action. The second thing, after the inspection of the ground, we happened to go at Gawar, that is one more land which is of Comunidad land. To our surprise, we were shocked to see, all the Gaonkars and the committee was shocked to see full swing bungalows are going on, construction of bungalows, compound walls, and the main thing is a police is involved where he has encroached on our land. He has built a compound wall and full foundation work was going on. He is a PSI. Some PSI he is. We will be filing a complaint even to SP. Amar Palni by name. Why we are saying this? Because police should take action, not only action, safeguard the property of Comunidad, but here it is becoming opposite. The police themselves are involved. So there is no question authorities taking action of this illegality. So we have decided, before that we went on the spot, all the Gaonkars together, not only as a committee, as a Gaonkar of Aldona, because we want to show all Goa.
Who is supporting this event? Anyone?
See, main thing, it looks like now we have complained to the government officers, everything, meaning departments. So it looks like to me, first, Panchayat is main supporting this. Then I have given, not writing, I have given calls or sent messages to even MLA Carlos. But I have not received any single reply, not a reaction. So I will say first is Panchayat who is supporting by taking bribe. That is,
say if our lands are grabbed, I am the vice president of the Aldana Comunidad. I will say if the lands are grabbed in this way, why don't our Gaonkars are given the land? It is we, our Gaonkars who are there, they should be given these lands. First priority to them. Why somebody else come? Why an outsider comes? Why a Maharashtrian and a Karnatakan comes and he has no right to get involved in our land, to encroach or whatever, build whatever thing. So better, as these Gaonkars are there over here, they are in numbers over here, and more also. We are total 800 and above Gaonkars. So we give the land to them. So also, like, the government should think that the Gaonkars are there, where they are going to stay. They also have children. So it is better we give it to them. Sarke, hoy ki na?
Yes.
Okay. सांग कोणाक कितें उलोवंक जाय जाल्यार सांगा
Small things speak about
गांवकार
illegality.
अशें फुडें येवन सांगा तुमकां कितें आहा तें सांगपाचें.
पळय आमी सगळे
पावस का पावस.
Yeah, tell. No, sir. Mask here. पुढे. Yes.
पळय आमी इन्स्पेक्शनाक पळय गेल्यार तेन्ना आमी पळयलां कम्युनिटी लँडान खूब इरेग्युलरिटी चलता आनी हें आतांच न्ही, म्हाका दिसता हें खूब तेंपाक सावन चलत आयलां. पूण आमी आतां पळयलें तेन्ना आमी सारकें शॉकींग, इट इज शॉकींग थिंग. आनी धाकटीं घरां न्ही, व्हडलीं घरां
Ground plus one.
हातूंत दिसता की कोणाचें तरी ब्लॅसिंगान तें जालां. पूण हें कम्युनिटी लँडीन इरेग्युलरिटीज जाल्ल्यो आमी हे आतां जें जालां तें आनी फुडाराक स्टॉप करपाक जाय. जाता तितलो आमी एटेम्प्ट करतले आमचे कमिटी बराबर हें जाता तितले इरेग्युलरिटीज जाता त्यो बंद करपाच्यो.
थँक्यू. आनी कोण उलयतलो?
Cindy,
Cindy,
speak.
you want to say something?
पुढे ये, पुढे ये.
You just speak. Two words are enough. No.
I'm Sydney Albert Vaz and I'm a Gaonkar.
Always we want it.
That day when we went for the inspection, we have seen many illegal structures in Aldona constituency. I will not repeat what the president has said or what you have already heard.
All Goa, all the comunidades also, what is going on? We start from letter A. So let it be followed by Aldona. We are going to stop this, not only stop this, we are going to demolish each and every structure, not only the structure, wherever encroachment is there, we are going to stop these illegalities. And we are fed up going to any government authorities like police, Mamledar, BDO or Panchayat. Main thing, Panchayat is involved in this. I will say this personally because few days back it has come on the news that ward member or sarpanch or deputy sarpanch is been bribed for 1 lakh. So I will say this, I'll make a statement of this. Since full bungalows constructions are going on, this sarpanch and deputy sarpanch punches are bribed and not small money, huge money. I request Pramod Samant also come forward. Take action on this. Set up an inquiry commission on this. What is going on? And Komunidad land, how it is grabbed. Not only grabbed, they have been constructing and giving on lease. Not only lease, they are selling to outsiders. We were shocked when we were doing inspection. One Karnataka fellow comes. He says, "He zameen amka vikल्या." So see the way of outside people coming. They are grabbing our land. Amchi zameen amka vikल्या. Who sold this land? Komunidad land. We have not given any land to anybody. Neither Gaonkars we have given as yet. But this is becoming too much. There is no limit in all this. Now all of them, the government says we are very strict. We take action. There are a lot of rules and regulations. But we were shocked to see Khulla, full swing, daytime with mixers, JCBs, breakers, like full swing cutters, and police are doing it. Main thing, this was shocking. The police department who is there to save this, their own officials are doing it. It's not a small joke. PSI is involved, PSI, not a constable or whatever. So we request the government first, come forward. Don't wait for the complaints. We have given the complaints. See, there are so many complaints. But nobody, blind eye is given for all this. So we request, and I will also request the High Court judges to please take suo moto actions looking at all this. We will show all the illegal construction without NOCs, no document. They have been encroaching in Komunidad land. We want to buy something, going on. I am talking only of Aldona, not any other. So in Goa, if you combine, it will be in thousands, I feel. So even I request all the Komunidads all over Goa will come together and fight this, what is going on. Nobody will help us. No government is helping us. No MLAs are helping us. No ministers. We ourselves should do this and show. And it can be done. Any
other questions to be asked?
If any government officials are involved, if any government officer involved, for example, panchayats, panch, they must be thrown out from the action must be taken down, and they should be thrown or suspended from the panchayats. If they are taking illegal bribes, something, they has to be suspended from here, Komunidad land. If they have done something for the Komunidad land, this sarpanch or deputy sarpanch must be suspended from the panchayats. Please, I ask the government and the High Court to do something about it.
Take action.
Take action.
Okay. Some of the people who say are illegally done, they are also Aldonkar. So what do you have got to say?
we don't know who they are. Whether they are Aldonkar or they are not Aldonkar, whether you are Aldonkar, not Aldonkar. Even a Gaonkar has constructed, I'll make my show very clear. make my point very clear. Even a Gaonkar have constructed illegal, that is illegal. It's not that whether you're Aldonkar, whether you're outsider, whether you're Karnataka, no. What illegal is illegal, what encroachment is done on the land is encroachment done. Law is for everybody.
So main motive is to demolish.
To demolish, there is no way in this because they have taken advantage. They have taken advantage because government is not taking action, no authority is coming forward, so they don't fear the law. They just go on building and encroaching.
Government is also passing that regularization of this illegal whatever is there lately. So in what way it will support you?
Government may say, but as per the code, there is no way written where you can regularize a illegal structure on Komnidad land. I am not talking about private land or whatever or government, but I am talking specifically about the Komnidad land. There is no code. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. मातशें जाता तितले सगळ्या चॅनल
लँडान खूब इरेग्युलरिटी चलता आनी हें आतांच न्ही म्हाका दिसता हें खूब तेंपाकसान चलत आयलां पूण आमी आतां पळयलें तेन्ना आमी सारकें शॉकींग इट इज शॉकींग थिंग आनी धाकटीं धाकटीं घरांनी व्हडलीं घरां
Ground plus one.
हातूंत दिसता की कोणाचें तरी ब्लॅसिंगान तें जालां पूण हें कम्युनिटी लँडीन इरेग्युलरिटीज जाल्ल्यो आमी हे आतां जें जालां तें आनी फुडाराक स्टॉप करपाक जाय जाता तितलो आमी एटेम्प्ट करतले आमचे कमिटी बराबर हें जाता तितलें इरेग्युलरिटीज जाता त्यो बंद करपाच्यो
I'm Sydney Albert Vaz and I'm a Gaonkar. That day when we went for the inspection, we have seen many illegal structures in Aldona constituency. I will not repeat what the president has said or what you have already heard. As the files are already moved, I would request all the departments to take respective actions so that the land is restored back to the Komunidad, so that the Gaonkars have the first right on it.
आणि कोणाक जाय उलोवंक?
शांताराम झाल्या
You already spoke everything.
Same thing.
No. Yeah.
You asked the question, so we get ready.
As an MLA, what support you got? You said you have passed the information.
Yeah, I have not received any support, nothing. That's why we will have to move to the court. If MLA was active and if he had to at least reply, yes, Melvin, something is going, I will do something, that was enough for me.
Yes.
But till date, I have not received anything.
No reply.
So we actually, see, there are no funds in our Komnidad, I will tell you this. But we have contributed for our land, that we will not give our land whatever come or whatever may happen. So we have contributed for this reason from the Gaonkar's pocket, not from the Komnidad account. We have contributed and we will see that we will move to the court as per the code. I will follow the code, move to the court, and we will see that all the structures, whatever encroachment walls have been done, will be demolished. No compromising, this time no compromising. It will be demolished to the court order, and we will see that the land is restored back as a Komnidad land, and all the Gaonkar will have right on that land.
You have a list how many illegal activities taking place in your jurisdiction? Like how many total?
At present, there are 20 to 25 illegal constructions only are going on. That only we so cheap because these officials are involved. They are grabbing our land. Not only they are grabbing our land, they are showing dadagiri when we go there. They are saying, do what you want to do. This is regarding the illegal what is going on at Gawar, and this is a promise to all the Gaonkar, and we also promise, suppose nobody takes action, we are going to the court and we are demolishing it as per the code of Komnidad and as per the rules which are there, judiciary laws which are there. We are following those, but we'll see that this will be demolished. It will be not tolerated anymore. The third part, a few days back, we had complained about illegal filling of mud in Pant Karona. Around 30 or 35 trucks, mud full of trucks, which had already been shown by Joseph. on one of the media. We have complained to even the minister, that is Viswajit Rane. Some places he's stopping the work, filing FIR. I demand, not only request, demand, file an FIR. Why this is still there? The mud is still there, dumped in the river, that too. And the reason was given that because of crocodile coming up. Mangroves are cut. So since Viswajit is the forest minister and plus TCP, I think, TCP minister, I demand you immediately, it is gone to him in his office, immediately file an FIR whoever is doing this, and the land should be restored back. And the Komnidad land, we will not tolerate anybody, whether it is a minister, MLA or any government officer, to grab a Komnidad land. It is not kept for free. Tumi sanga.
Who is supporting this? You think anyone?
See, main thing, it looks like now we have complained to the government officers, everything, meaning departments. So it looks like to me, first, Panchayat is main supporting this. Then I have given, not writing, I have given calls or sent messages to even MLA Carlos. But I have not received any single reply, not a reaction. So I will say first is Panchayat who is supporting by taking bribe.
I
That
will
is-
say if our lands are grabbed, I am the vice president of the Aldana Kumida. I will say if the lands are grabbed in this way, why don't our Gaonkas are given the land? It is we, our Gaonkas who are there, they should be given this land first priority to them. Why somebody else come? Why an outsider come? Why a Maharashtrian and a Karnataka comes and he has no right to get involved in our land?